Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I'm a self-taught nail enthusiast. And in today's video with this groggy voice, I am going to be showing you how I got this nail look using some Born Pretty gel products that they so kindly sent to me. It honestly is such an easy look. So without further ado, let's get started so you can see how easy it really was. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I have swatched all of the polishes except for one, because one of them, this is a watercolor nail gel, and this is SKU 52484. I hate that they don't really have like names or anything, but basically it's just a clear coat. I don't know if you would call this a top coat or not, but it's a clear polish that you put on the nail and then you can add colors on top of it and it creates like a natural marble look. So that I'm going to be doing on the blue nail set, which I'm using BP45, and it's just their Black Cat Spar gel polishes. I mean, look at this blue. It is stunning. So I will be using that. So for this, I think I'm going to do thumb, pinky, ring in the blue. So we'll start with the thumb just so we can kind of see how the polish works. Now, I'm a fan of their polishes. I think they work really nicely. Let me get my little stand. If you've been here before, you know what my stand is. It's actually a desk vacuum. It's really amazing, works wonderful, especially if you don't have a dust collector. So my nails are the Chiaroscuro medium almond nails. I just trimmed them down and kind of shaped them into more of like a rounder shape on this hand, and I've already applied a base coat. So you'll see on some of them that I have air bubbles. Honestly, I get air bubbles when I apply my gel full cover tips, and I don't really have issues with lifting and things like that. I think as long as you have enough glue and you've prepped your nails properly, you really don't have anything to worry about. So this color is going on really nicely. If you wanted more of like a lighter blue, I feel like you could just stick with one coat and you would be fine. But I kind of want like a deeper color. So I think I'm going to do 2 coats, just basically out of habit, and honestly I do that with every polish. I think when you're working with like a cream gel, I don't know what you call like a regular plain colored gel polish. Please tell me down below, what do you guys call them? Oh my god, I think this is stunning. Just for like a full coverage aesthetic, I definitely will go with 2 coats, but it went on beautifully. It's nice and creamy but also thin at the same time, which in my experience, I don't get coverage like that in a thin polish like this. It's normally like the super thick creamy shades that you can get like full coverage no matter what. I mean, this is beautiful. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna paint the rest of the nails, do 2 coats, and I'm gonna paint these like a nudish pink before we top it with that marbling top coat thing. So I have finished the 2 coats. I think it looks good. I'm hoping that once I do the marble, it'll kind of like tie it in more. The blue is stunning, honestly, like probably one of my favorite shades that I've used from them so far. So don't forget, I do have a coupon code. It's LNBGen that you can use site-wide on bornpretty.com to save yourself some money. Now, you know the holidays are coming up. Everyone is saying like do all your shopping now with this like whole port situation. So, you know, if you are going to do some Christmas shopping, you might want to get on that. But anyways, so what I've done here is, also I have a cold, so I'm sorry if I sound like, I don't know, just awful. Excuse me, I have a cough drop in my mouth because I can't speak without having like something. So what I've done is I have laid down the blue, the reflective top coat, a white, and then while I was getting the white out, I saw this little blue thing has like stars in it. If that does if that blue doesn't work, I'll just take it out. But basically this is my setup. So now what I'm gonna do is before I do that, I'm gonna put on the watercolor marble. Ooh, I have never done this before, so I'm really hoping it works. This is very thick, so I don't know if I'm doing this the right way or not, but here we go. So I'm gonna put this on, and gosh, I'm so scared. I don't know what I'm scared of, but I'm scared. It's very thick, and the brush is almost like glued, you know? Just want to make sure that I get everywhere that I need to get it. Like, it doesn't necessarily need to cover the whole nail, to be honest with you. I'm going more for like a diagonal on this, but so I also need a brush to pick this up. So sorry. So sorry. I'm gonna use this. Maybe. So I'm just gonna kind of like swirl these. I'm gonna use the skinny side. So you kind of just swirl them back and forth and hope for the best, right? Pray for the best. That blue is not really getting in there at all. Okay, now that looks cool. Now what you do is you take the back, well, you take your brush and you just kind of scoop the area that you like. So I kind of like this right in the middle. Scoop it up on the brush, and then you sort of just let it fall off of the brush, and you should get like a nice like marbly look, and that's exactly what I was going for. So I'm kind of gonna get some of this, and I'm kind of just gonna let it be, right? Just let it fall. Wow, that looks beautiful. So you can kind of take another brush, like a liner brush, and sort of like coerce it to go where you want it to go. Like I kind of want to pull this like up through here. I don't want it to sit too long because it'll spread too far. Like it's already spreading like over farther than I kind of wanted it to go. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cure that, but that looks really cool. Okay, I have to say that that turned out way better than it did the first time I tried this technique. It looks really beautiful. So maybe the key is to have this type of top coat, because I tried to just do it on like regularly painted nails. I don't even think I put top coat down. Like anytime I've done these simple marble looks, I've just used like a regular top coat. But this, my friends, is a game changer for your marble nails. Let me tell you. Holy moly. Okay, so I'm gonna try to pick up a little less this time than I did the last time. Reason being, I don't want it to spread as much. So I think I'm gonna go like this way. Okay, I think that's enough. So still wanna go on the same angle. I'm just gonna let it drop. I mean, it just spreads so easily and it comes off the brush really easy too. So I just want to get a little bit of this darker blue in there as well. It's so pretty. So you don't really see that, sorry, you don't really see the reflective top coat in here, but that's okay. I think it's beautiful regardless. I may go in and paint some of it, and I didn't get any of these stars, but I don't think it needed it, to be completely honest. I think it looks much better without it. So I'm just kind of moving it around a little bit, just kind of putting it where I want it to be. That looks beautiful. So I'm just going to cure that, and I am trying to decide, do I want to use a matte top coat? I think I'm going to go shiny. I think it looks so pretty. I think maybe I may do the blue matte and the marble shiny. I'll decide in a couple seconds. So here it is, the beautiful, and oh my god, honestly, it's got to be one of the easiest nail looks that I have ever created, and it's so pretty. So I did end up using their matte top coat, which nothing gets better than this matte top coat. It's almost like velvet. So I may go on with another coat because I see a couple little like shiny areas that I missed. That's the thing with matte, like you really have to go full coverage. But anyways, back to the nail look. I did these ones first in matte, and I was like, let me just see what this looks like, and I love it. I think it's so pretty and sophisticated and so simple. I really think that they think about their products and how the consumer can use it. They just make it easy for you to create nail looks. So in my opinion, they have become probably one of my favorite brands. And I'm not just saying that because they send me free products, because let me tell you something, I'm not going to sell my soul to the devil for like a 2% affiliate fee or whatever the hell you want to say for some free products. No, I don't work like that. If I don't like something, I'm going to tell you that I don't like something. And you should know that by now. I'm going to tell you what's wrong with it. I like their polishes. I like their products. I think they do a good job. So don't forget, I do have a code for you guys to use and an affiliate link where I get a small percentage on anything that is purchased from their website, which is bornpretty.com. Now, I can't, say anything nicer about what I used today. I thought the blue was gorgeous. I thought their products were gorgeous. With that being said, don't forget that I do have a giveaway coming up. And in order to be entered into that giveaway, you need to be subscribed to my channel and you need to be interacting with my channel. That means liking videos, commenting on videos, that sort of thing. And also following me on Instagram and interacting with me on Instagram, same thing. So liking pictures, commenting, make sure you are following following me on Instagram and subscribed here on YouTube so that you can be entered in my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe. I know that all of you are not subscribed. There is a large portion of you that watch my videos and still haven't subscribed. Come on, join the fam jam. You know you want to. Please like this video if you would like to see more videos like this in the future, and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys!